Hello friends, welcome to the lecture. This lecture entitled Exploring the Phillips Curve, Analyzing the Relationship between the Inflation and Unemployment. So in this lecture, we are going to explain or the learn the Phillips curve and also the short run Phillips curve. We will also see it from the graphical presentation. So before going to the next slide, I would like to explain what is Phillips curve. So basically Phillips curve shows that there is a inverse and a stable relation between the price and inflation and unemployment. So what is unemployment? I mean the percentage change of people in the labor force who are not working. There are many people in the economy are not working, like children, elderly people. There are many people. So is it all are unemployed, or everyone will be considered as a unemployed? No, the only people in the labor force are not working will be considered as unemployed youth. What is labor force? Labor force is the working age group population and also having the skill and desires for to work. Then what is inflation rate? Inflation rate is the price change, percentage change in the price. And in India we have the quarterly report from the government of India on the consumer price index and also wholesale price index. So in the next slide, we will see the graphical presentation of the Phillips curve. So here we can see that on the y-axis, I have kept the inflation rate, on the x-axis, unemployment rate, assuming that the natural rate of unemployment will be around 6%. And on this basis of unemployment, inflation rate is going to be around 3%. And if you combine this both topic, we'll find point B, where both point are getting in equilibrium. Suppose if there is a reduction in the unemployment rate from 6 to 5%, then what will happen? It means that additional 1% labor force got employment in the economy, and because the additional 1% got employment, and because of that they have the purchasing power. Now with the additional purchasing power, they will demand for the goods and services in the economy, and because of the additional demand of the goods and services in the economy, the price of the goods and services will increase from 3 to 4%. And because of this price increase, the overall inflation increase in the economy. So we can see this how unemployment reduction in unemployment is leading to the inflation rate increment. Vice versa, suppose what will happen if the unemployment rate increases? It means that another set of another 1% people, 1% people in the economy labor force lost their job, and because they lost their job, they do not have the money to buy these goods and services. So because of that, they will reduce their demand, and because of the sudden shock in the demand of the goods and services, demand will reduce, and because of the price will fall down, and because of that inflation rate will fall down. So we can see that if unemployment rate is decreasing, inflation is increasing. If unemployment rate is increasing, inflation is decreasing. So it shows that vice versa are the inverse relation. And you will combine, if you will combine point A, B, C, you will get the short run Phillips curve. I hope you understand the short run Phillips curve with this. Thank you so much. In the coming lecture, we will also discuss the natural rate of unemployment, stagflation, expected inflation rate, rational expectation, and there are lot topic related to Phillips curve we will discuss. Thank you so much.